NMTV conducts debates, elocution, drawing, painting, fancy dress, singing competitions and airs the entire coverage on the channel. NMTV holds talk shows related to adolescents in schools and colleges. NMTV becomes media partners for annual festivals of schools and colleges. NMTV crafts cookery shows with homemakers as celebrity chefs. Tips by homemakers from kitchen to skin and hair to make them more involved with the channel. Conceiving shows wherein couples can be called for competitions and children can be audience. Another show could be on lines of KBC. Instead of one player, have an entire family for playing the quiz. Health section with info about advancement in science and technology and talk shows with doctors. Special programs on fashion, real estate and property and more. Where other local news stations throughout the state strived every year, NMTV was awarded the state accreditation in the first go for focused hard work and delivering quality programming to a large viewership of the network. Our methodology of news broadcast is simple. It programs in news that people of every age can use, be it cookery shows for housewives, games and quiz for students, neighborhood corporate watch or regular coverage of events, incidents, politics, crime, real estate and business and entertainment. The channel will be a watchdog for city policies, BMC and other local corporation functioning, promises made and everything that counts for joint progress and welfare of society and community at large. Maharashtra State Senior IAS Officer Madhukar Kokate during his tenure as Commissioner of NMMC had remarked, "My most memorable tenure in government service has been as Collector of Pune. Pune has everything better than Navi Mumbai. The only thing that Pune did not have was a local news station like NMTV." Madhukar Kokate during his stay as NMMC Commissioner was an avid NMTV viewer.
ये सारी एरियाज कवर करता है हमारे इस क्षेत्र की, चाहे शैक्षणिक हो, धार्मिक हो, हमारे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में हो या शहर का जो भी कोई सामाजिक वातावरण है उसके बारे में हो। तो एक चैनल ऐसा है कि सभी चीज़ें हमको एक साथ यहाँ देखने को मिलती है और इस पे एक दर्जा भी उन्होंने एक अच्छा रखा है। तो मैं ये देखता हूँ कि ये चैनल सही एक उपयोगी चैनल नई मुंबई के लिए रहा है और रहेगा भी। तो ये चाहता हूँ कि इस और अपग्रेड हो और ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन इसमें एनालिटिकल तरीके की ज़्यादा हो, जिससे हमको भी मदद मिले, नागरिकों को भी मदद मिले।
अरे आपका चैनल तो बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहा है। मैं तो अभी बातें से आपके मुंह पे बोलूँ तो लगेगा कि अगर गणेश ने मुंह देखा तारीफ कर रहा है, लेकिन आपका जो पूरा सिस्टम है हर जगह जगह पे पहुँचता है, यानी झोपड़ी में पहुँचता है, गांव में पहुँचता है, शहर में पहुँचता है, इंडस्ट्री एरिया में जाता है, किधर तबेला है, किधर कुत्ते गलत है, भैंस किधर बैठ रही है, किधर प्लास्टिक गिरा है, किधर कोई मैंग्रोव्स काट रहा है, कोई धुआं निकल रहा है, कलरफुल पानी है, कोई अनवांटेड क्राउड है, कोई गुंडागर्दी है, जुलूम है, ज़बरदस्ती, हर ऐसा एंगल एक नहीं रहा जो आपके नई मुंबई समाचार और नई मुंबई तुम्हारा जो टेलीविज़न है बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहा है।
Advertising on local news station gives the neighborhood business an advantage. The channel tailors advertising proposal to fit companies and their budgets while maximizing the reach of their message. This can be done by offer targeted zone advertising, flexible scheduling, customized sponsorships, and added value opportunities. At NNTV, we are a full-service media partner that delivers more than just services. We deliver momentum. We can reach the specific niche of audience as desired by a business house by helping them target their message through audio-visual advertisements as per FCTs on news, bulletin and programming. This advertising revenue can be categorized into various categories. At NMTV, we have won over the audience with integrity, credibility, diversity and fairness. NMTV's dedication to the highest ethical and journalistic standard translates to a more affluent, community-minded, involved and educated viewer base. Sponsorship of NMTV franchises partners business with non-sensational, user-friendly news content.